What's up, you guys? I'm back with Cooking with MG, and today we're making Pastelitos Hondureños. These will be your ingredients. In a hot pan with oil, add cut onion and cook until golden brown. Then add your ground beef. My meat is a little frozen, so bear with me. Once your meat is halfway cooked, add your seasonings. Once your meat is cooked, set it to the side. This is the salad portion of the recipe, so finally chop your cabbage. Chop your tomatoes in small cubes. Now add your seasonings to your salad. After adding the seasonings to your salad, mix with a spoon. But then remember, you work best with your hands, so use your hands. Once mixed, set to the side. In a warm cup and a half of water, add your achiote and mix and mix. Make sure it's fully dissolved. Then add your achiote mixture to your flour. Then mix until you form a dough. Once your dough stops sticking to your fingers, set to the side. On a warm small pot, add your salsa de pato. Add a little water to dissolve it better. Now it's time to put it all together. take your dough in the size of a small ball and set it in the middle. Once your dough is pressed down, carefully remove your tortilla, flip it, and add your beef. Add enough so your tortilla doesn't break, then fold in half and carefully pinch the sides. Your pastelitos should end up looking like this. In a deep frying pan with hot oil, add your pastelitos. Add 3 at a time so they don't stick together. Once the oil calms down, flip your pastelitos. Your pastelitos will be ready, they'll be crisp, and their red color would be more enhanced. Make sure to drain them from all oil. It's finally time to plate your beautiful pastelitos. Add your salad. And then add your hot salsa de pato. And voila, you have this beautiful plate of Pastelitos Hondureños. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't miss out on my other YouTube channel, The Life of Gomez. I'll link it down below. Thank you. Bye.